Welcome to Auto Vibe. Today we are taking a closer look at the stunning 2026 Infiniti Q70 Electric, a luxury sedan that represents the future of Infiniti's design and technology. From the very first glance, the front end of this car is designed to impress, with its bold and futuristic styling that immediately captures attention. The iconic Infiniti grille has been reimagined into a smooth, illuminated panel, framed with sleek LED headlamps that flow seamlessly into the body lines. The sculpted hood carries a sense of power and elegance, while the aerodynamic lines give the Q70 a modern presence that signals performance and sophistication at the same time. Moving around to the back, the rear of the 2026 Infiniti Q70 Electric carries a sleek and futuristic appeal with a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the trunk, giving the sedan a wider stance and more premium identity. The taillights are sharply designed, and the subtle integrated spoiler adds both function and style. The bumper has been kept clean, free from exhaust outlets since this is an all-electric car, creating a minimal yet striking look that balances luxury with technology-driven aesthetics. Shifting to the right side, the silhouette of the Q70 Electric reveals its elegance in motion. The flowing roofline creates a coupe-like profile while still maintaining the practicality of a four-door sedan. The flush door handles pop out seamlessly as you approach, adding a futuristic vibe, while the large aerodynamic alloy wheels not only look bold, but also enhance performance and range efficiency. The side mirrors are slim and sharp, with camera integration for 360-degree viewing, complementing the advanced technology built into this car. Stepping inside to the dashboard area, Infiniti has crafted a cabin that feels both futuristic and inviting. The dashboard is dominated by a wide, curved digital display that blends the driver's instrument cluster with the infotainment screen in one seamless panel. Touch-sensitive controls and premium materials like leather, wood, and brushed aluminum surround the driver, creating a luxurious environment with advanced functionality. The steering wheel is futuristic yet simple with multifunctional controls, while ambient lighting softly illuminates the cabin, making every drive feel special. Moving to the front seats, comfort and technology go hand in hand. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with fine stitching and feature both heating and cooling functions, along with massage options, ensuring long journeys remain relaxing. Space is generous, and the soundproofing keeps the cabin quiet, perfect for enjoying the premium audio system. In the back seats, passengers experience equal luxury with ample legroom, plush seating, and individual climate controls. The panoramic sunroof extends overhead, flooding the interior with natural light and adding to the airy and luxurious feel of the car. Finally, under the hood in the engine room, instead of a traditional engine, the Q70 Electric houses its advanced battery system and electric motors. The layout is clean and futuristic, highlighting the shift towards a fully electric future. With impressive power output and a long driving range, the 2026 Infiniti Q70 Electric combines luxury,